How to export notes from Evernote to Notion. This video, I will show you the full process in 2025. So make sure to like and subscribe. Step 1. Start by opening your Evernote on your computer. Select the notebooks or notes that you want to move. Step 2. Click on the file and then export notes. Choose the format NX since that's compatible with importing. Save the exported file to your computer. Step 3. Open your Notion and then go to your settings and then members or import. And then step 4, upload your NX file that you converted in your Evernote. Step 5, once imported, Notion will create a new page containing all your Evernotes. And then you can reorganize them into databases, folders, or links. And then that's it. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.